Installing underwater lights enhances your boat's appearance, improves safety, and attracts fish. This guide covers the tools, products, and steps to mount underwater lights professionally. For solid fiberglass transoms, drill and install the light directly. For cored hulls, wood or foam between fiberglass layers, use an epoxy plug to protect the core from water damage. Choose a flat spot below the waterline, as low as possible, but not on the hull's bottom. Use a template and painter's tape to mark even mounting locations. Check inside the bilge. Use transom hardware as a reference to determine the correct position, avoiding structural, mechanical, or electrical components when drilling. Ensure you won't drill into wires, hoses, or accessories. Move any obstacles and secure a wood block where the drill will exit to avoid damage. Drill a 1/4 or 3/8 inch pilot hole. Confirm placement, then enlarge to 3/4 inch for the power cord. Don't drill screw holes yet. Tape the inside of the hole, then fill it with thickened epoxy, making sure there are no air bubbles. Let the epoxy cure for 24 hours, then drill a 5/8 inch hole through the center for the power cord. Bevel the hole's outer edge with a grinding bit to help the sealant make a watertight seal. Feed the power cable through. Temporarily fit the light, marking its edge on the tape for alignment. Hold the light in position and mark the first screw hole. Wrap tape around a 9/64 inch drill bit for screw depth. Remove the light and drill the first hole. Insert and hand tighten the first screw to hold the light, then mark the second screw hole. Remove the screw, drill the second hole, and check alignment. Bevel screw hole edges to prevent gel coat cracks and improve sealant adhesion. Remove tape, vacuum holes, and clean the area with acetone for proper sealant adhesion. Apply a heavy bead of sealant to the cable hole, light housing, and screw threads. Guide the cable through as you align the fixture, inserting screws before pressing it fully in place. Hand tighten screws evenly until sealant squeezes out around the light. Don't over-tighten. Carefully remove excess sealant using a shop rag and acetone. Acetone will cloud the light's lens. Do not allow acetone to come in contact with the light's lens. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow boaters. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.